first me ever meet somebody and me and them go to bed at the first night. The first that happened to me.
Then I hear me and the house and I said, no, sir, what's up here? What you say to me? You don't hear? So I have to just stay in a room. What you say? So I'm stay in a room and type out the house. Yo.
Maggie.
Hello?
Hey.
What's up?
Nothing, I was just letting you know that I'm almost at a gate.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay, then.
Would make it this far, they hated, they never believe me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball, I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic gotta say, I got them picking up the pieces. That mean you really playing with your life, I'm about to come and run it all back. On the new era, about to step back. You ain't finna I shoot my shot, wait, hold up. I'm really about to run this go up. You know it's all net when it go up. Ain't got no other plans, you don't need to understand, ayy. We on overtime, you don't need to understand, ayy. You just show them how to do it when you don't know what to say. Tell me how you plan to win if you plan to
Oh, really, no. So you see you really left your back from that before last night? You did really drunk, man.
Oh God, man, be of course, it's Aleecia's time I pass through. It's come like it's stress out everybody.
Wow.
All me get stressed, cause couldn't even get for going there before last night. Alright out here some sleep, be. 2 of me drunk.
Come on, no, babe. Really? Junior, come on. Really?
Be.
So what you say going to know apart from all like the drama?
Find somewhere go and sit down and talk about that, be. Really, I see you want to turn up. Am I place, you know?
No.
You're welcome to my place.
Alright. We sit down here, so. So yeah, move to like you're happy to see me, sure.
Someone must happy to see you, be. Oh God, man.
No, say it to we not easy though.
Why make you say that now, be?
Yeah, because a night before last night we met and then we go bed at the same night and to we not easy.
There's a first for everything. You see 3/4 of people them in a party, stress out. All of them
Most of them, not all, most of them lose them house and things, so you have to just blame me on this time.
So, you know, say first me I go do them something, eh?
Yeah.
I first me ever meet somebody and me and them go to bed at the first night. The first that happened to me.
As I say, there's a first for everything be. And you know, so night before last night, we in a party and see though, we just eyes, every move I make. My
Really
eyes,
no.
those looks like so beautiful. I was like, I have to take you home.
So why you believe you have to take me home? Then supposed to know like you have to take me home. How that?
Well, if you never work out for you, probably would have work out somebody else with. But me as a boy be like, I'm confident in myself and believe in myself and anything I want in life, I will always go.
So are you near Mr. Half-Forget?
No, not really.
Well, funny enough, we tell you the truth. You know, me do really I look for you too. I swear.
I'm straight think I did I look for you, be.
Come on now. Then me could have see this here slim, nice. Now forgot gym body, yeah.
You know, say no easy though.
And admire.
So, how you they look for me and me I look for you? I never meet. How that?
Don't worry yourself. Ladies know them code, you know.
I want thing I like to be two of you look for each other and me have to come. And me have to come over.
Boy. I'm gonna stay so. I'm gonna cheap so, baby. You could have looked for me. This a nice girl and feel me if you come over.
Well, you have a point right. Cause any girl that look me no want them. Cause me go feel so then cheap.
Okay.
But anyways, let go that. Want to take you around and show you my place. Cause can get used to my place, you know.
Yeah, them for know me rich youth. Yeah. One digga which a lie. I know two which a lie. One digga which a lie. I know two which a lie. One digga. Yeah, me paper, you know I go. Yeah, ball game me too. I tell you, we up on the road me too, you know. Yeah, man. I tell you, there. Anyway, zinc them on my paper, man. You know, ball game come on. We buy zinc anywhere we go. Anywhere we go. Light and poor, man. I want to bring back the light in our country. Big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man. We are buying zinc and we are buying nail and everything, man. Anywhere we go, man. Shopping now. And we are run taxis here with my people. Spanish Town, Portmore, anywhere. Now, ball game come down, my friend, man. I rode our motor. Boy, you have to come a passenger them now, boy. Yo, why people them there? West End on the road, my people. Savannah, Mar. Why people them there? Hey, uncle, your house number down. We can't buy zinc here, my friend. Watch the price, man. I hear that, man. West End on the machine, anywhere. Anywhere we not going now. West End on the ride. Where you have for me? West End, mommy. You know.
Man, come in.
Boy, you are trying to behind out and make man can't get the passenger now, boy. West End, Spanish Town, Portmore.
That's how we are going.
Yo, me tell you, where you start it? Nah, gonna come on for the road then, man. Outside.
No, never want to carry on too far, cause you like your place look. You don't look like one time.
You don't look like one time, but you carry me in this, though. Only place we can remember the entrance to go in this, so. You see you?
I think you're easy. You're not easy, no?
Wait, what?
Anytime.
Alright, you not easy. Tell me.
No. Anyway, be no fight talking. Come, go swear on car.
Wait there, you love carry me in your room, me?
Just cool of me.
Yeah.
I'm in love with it all.
That was good. I love it.
But most.
Good for you.
Alright, later.
Take care of the sexy body.
Same to you.
Alright.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
So many things I would try, so many rivers I just wanna dive. Ooh, doing my best to survive.
B,
I need more.
look here.
What no? By the way, I can't go in that room there again, you know.
No, B. Just call up your last one. One last one.
Oh. Oh. Sorry. But I don't like how the last of the soul, you know. What do you mean by last one?
No, B, oh God, man. Me I thought like for the day.
Oh.
Yeah.
Was
But some no might see until all tomorrow, you know. Or probably you'll come back later. I'm not sure.
no, I'm not gonna come back later.
Alright, see you next time.
Alright. Alright, Junior, take care. That Junior stuff.
Alright, yes, man. So, if you call them want some more zinc, you know. Zinc, you know. Now run out. Yeah, if you call each other, you know. Because I really need some zinc. Me say no so sensible, you know, but me if you call him still, you know. If you call him still, you know. Me call him and hear him say. Yes, which a lie. You want a prince, man. What go on? But me you buy 2 zinc for me, you know. What you mean say you don't know who? You don't know Prince around the cook shop, man. Want you buy 2 zinc, you go buy 2 zinc for me, man. Can I run out of zinc, you know, man? Yes, man. Come now, man. What you mean say you don't know who? I see him guy, me say around the cook shop, man. You know the cook shop, man. You say stamp blood on the whole place, brother. That's what Melissa do. Melissa mash the whole place, man. So I don't know me shot at some zinc, man. So man, you say if you can't go down the way, go get some zinc for me. Right, sir? Yeah, man. Alright, you come now. Yeah, man, make your son come, sir. Alright, all the best, sir. Take it easy. Alright.
One digga which a lie. I know 2 which a lie. One digga which a lie. I know 2 which a lie. One digga which a lie. One which a lie. Rich and a lie. Them a beat, them a sus, them a watch. Everywhere me go, the whole of them a see a weed. Real thugs in the street, I'm in the street. Some say me a fool, some say idiot. But still them girl I see a me.
Mass Prince, what about man?
Where which a lie?
I'm a general.
Me take it easy. Where you going with?
Over there.
I'm going to meet you there, so man.
What make? So I can't stay in the yard.
Yeah, man, I can't say what me will see in the public here, so.
I won't.
Yeah, man, you know.
I there.
Yeah, sunshine. So what go on?
Real, I know I'm there, I'm a general.
How this time treat you?
Storm. I want to say Storm name 2, 3, do me not still in my general.
So,
you know?
so where you in there?
Where me in there?
When Storm
You asleep, me asleep, my general.
I said to
My house, man. I want to
No.
man.
I want to make your house.
A concrete house, we live in my general, man.
Where is it to me?
But watch out now. You know, I won't leave my house, me having a.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, so that I want. I board one me the day when it a blow. I'm not telling you that, you know. Because I know we're not cap.
Yeah.
That's just the way we are cap.
Yeah.
I know say, yeah, man. When it's time I blow my general, man. When I time I feel, me never have no fun, you know. And I say, then how me feel so cool. I want me check a stack, I stay so up and look for 2 pieces of board. Then I hear me and the house, then I say, no, sir, what's up here?
Where is it to me? In the ear?
So I have to just stay so room.
What you say? So
I'm just a room and dive out, I also general.
you house done boat, man.
Yeah, when I hear me there, I'm stay so room and dive out, I also.
Where is it to me?
You see by the time I dive out, I also. I'm not just that I stay so room. I'm stay so room. You know?
Where is it to me?
I'm not that time I see how I stamp. I stamp and most of you. I'm stay so, yo. I stamp. You know?
You ride the star, man.
Yeah, man.
You ride the star.
Man. I'm tell me general, man.
Me want you go buy 2 sheet of things.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, man.
Real.
I'm Samuels go buy 2 sheet of things.
Don't hard way there.
Yeah, man.
I think I think that, man.
Because you know, say me zinc they mash up, you know. Yeah, man. See the money, you know. Man, you go buy this. Make sure you get a receipt, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know, say quick shopping.
Me have to know what I go on.
You know, say yo.
Yeah.
It's time blow off all the sitting on my side, but I'm not really worried. A card me I use now. I'm go for 2 card.
All right, carry on now.
I will not cap in it, man.
All right, sir.
Not sure you see where we are cap. Yeah, man. A card me I run with that, my friend, man. A big business, man. I quick shopping now, you know.
How you say to me?
Quick shopping
Yeah,
now,
man.
don't see that.
Wow.
Card me I run.
Can't deal with you now.
So you say, 1 sheet of zinc and what?
2 sheet of zinc.
2 sheet of zinc.
Half one of zinc meal.
Half one of zinc nail.
Yeah, man.
Fast and quick here.
Fast and quick.
Quick shopping now.
All right, with that respect.
You know we not cap this
All
up.
right, sir. Which I lie, man.
I'm clear, man.
I'm not easy doing no. Which I lie, not easy at all. Eh?
So far with general, yeah.
Yeah, man. Which I lie, not easy at all.
I spend some time about buy zinc, man. I'm tell you what, no long man drink a cold beer stand blow, I'm not drink no cold beer youth. All of my house stop blow off youth. I'm telling you, want to have some grocery up on my yard, you know, youth.
I tell a girl, so right now, we're up on a flex, so I heard where I can go, you know. I heard where I can go.
But you did tell me say you go buy some zinc.
Yes, it's zinc and it ply and it, we call it something them long to them 2 before next night. I remember say storm, lick off the next side of the house.
Oh Jesus.
Yeah. I say more of me I hard we go deal with that now.
I look at me and say me want to introduce you to my boyfriend. I know you look for me so far.
I'm here talk to
You know who?
where you find man from now?
What you mean by where me find man from? So me can't find man.
My friend, where you find man from? Where you get man from? Me I ask
You
you
remember the party? You remember the party, girl?
Okay.
That slim body boy there?
Okay.
Yeah.
I will never see a cow without a tail. So that's you're missing up the night there.
You see
Okay, I just say you're missing up the night there.
you just want to get in my business.
And me I wonder say no, me never dare wonder. Remember say Melissa mash up the whole system, the whole we call it signal thing. And me could even call her. Oh me I see that go on.
Girl, I'm if you tell you, that was a night. Come on, man.
It says a night because you go on, me know says a night. So you go on. Remember you know, me have a business to go deal with.
Apart from that, no. We.
So me
Anyway,
don't
me
see
leave
him.
a business with you. See him there over there, so. You see him? Yeah. Right over there, so. You just try, come on. Oh, yeah, business to take care. You come on. Come walk here, so. So we are people suffer. Mine you look for my man too hard, you know.
What girl, me know I am. What up, your man?
No, you.
Them, so
You
now
want
see
to
him.
man, see him over there. So.
That me nice, yeah.
That if you don't come on.
I've been dreaming about you, wishing you what you were up to.
Walk up now, yeah, walk.
So girl, I want to tell me walking about that.
You eat a bad me coming over, you know the star preem. See you here, girl.
I'ma set up a TV and I like you to be.
Yeah, be on me. Alright.
Yeah. You look good yourself too. Anyway, Junior, this is my best friend, Deandra. Deandra, this is Junior.
Nice to meet you, Deandra.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Junior. Never again, Senna Junior. Yeah. But like we kidnap my friend from the party night and look almost I go call the police them. But me know say all the system down and everything. So you know so I could get through. But anyways, I don't know how where me I go. And you know Aleecia just smash up everything for me right now. Half of my house gone. So I saw zinc me I go look at now and so Girlie we happy for you here so may I take me a little time and leave.
You better make sure.
Yes, yes.
So yeah, look for nursing.
I don't know how personal be and just to how she talk. Me I look for her.
You better make sure, you know.
Of course.
Come and tell us something, you know. Mix up, yeah. Love mix up, but I'm a friend same way from school days, but anyway, she said she'll go down at the hardware, go look some zinc and something because part of her roof they blow off, you know, just like mine in the hurricane. So she'll take time, do her thing and work on it.
Okay. Yeah man, that's how you go. You go build back. I even build back stronger this time.
Well,
So look, come on, yeah, mama. Pick up yourself, here. Dear man. Man, I talk about zinc, man. Zinc can you, man. Storm time and now, man. Go on like this, zinc can you, zinc can you. Yeah, one of them sitting there now. Mass prints, what the mass prints? What do you mass prints? Zinc can you, youth. Go on like zinc can you. You're lucky. I mean, this money I can't buy two things. Come to this lady, man. I'm not selling anything to dear youth over here, youth. I'm to no youth.
All game up, you know.
Fast, bro. Oh, sir, what go on?
It's so fast and forward back, my general.
Hold on there. What
Yeah,
that,
man.
sir? What that?
Yes, I go on.
What that?
I this a man.
You want to see mad there? Are you scared? You say I was thinking.
What do you mean, sir? Mr. Car, my
No
general.
man. Me go to police station for you, man.
Police station,
Yeah,
go.
man.
And I them a sell on my way, my general. Eh?
So what?
No, man. A
No,
two
man.
sheet, I think I say one. Not two.
Don't shit, man. I
So
want to see that.
this a fit like a one sheet.
Jesus.
I want big zinc this time, my general.
You scared?
Say, come on, man. I want
No,
them
tell me
general.
about you still.
Don't tell you about.
You pay about you number.
Hold on,
But
tell
never-
me find
never-
the general.
never go to police station.
What?
No, man. Where me receipt it?
Receipt.
Yeah.
I never see no receipt. The lady never give me back no receipt.
No, man. You're supposed to get a receipt, man.
General, what you talk about,
Brethren,
general?
at least you can't get receipt with this.
Who can get receipt?
The only
sir?
receipt I get is you write yourself.
Oh, I'm telling you, general.
No.
I don't know how to get it for buy, general.
Which hardware?
Don't know how to yourself.
Which hardware? Which one go?
Lady said they know no more, general.
Which
This
one
a
hardware
one.
go?
Them are one of them
No,
sent down
man,
for
no,
America,
man.
my general.
Brethren.
The straight now.
Wait,
All the
wait.
things I do to look straight in after.
No,
general.
man. Me give me cash money, man. Wait, that's where I got police station right now, man.
Police station.
Yeah,
Go
man, I
on.
see right now, man.
So, Prince, how do you, man?
No, man.
Good.
Look, man,
You
get
left a zinc, right, that's all.
Go, man, get give me. You must be mad here, man.
Right, that's something I left a zinc.
Right now, right now, station me right now for you.
Say that, go on.
You can sell me.
Oh,
What you think go buy for me?
no zinc.
Buy zinc. You go,
okay, yes, something like pheasant,
you go,
you know.
you go spend time at jail tonight. yeah.
Spend time. I eat that.
What you think
And I go on. So
What
I get the zinc. I
what
know
you think I
what
like
people
that?
want zinc.
You go to prison.
You know what people
Wicked.
You know what people think blow off of their house and want zinc. Oh, I'm telling you.
Wicked.
What I zinc you?
And then you go take it from? Yes. And then you take it from? And
What
people
I
take
think?
it from?
Remember say, well, all right.
Oh, see,
You know
man,
want it?
me want it.
Remember say me put on a zinc you say no.
Put it on.
Remember say me
Me
put
want
on a zinc you say.
Who you put it on for?
What?
Who you put it on for?
Oh yeah, so me I left a zinc for general. Remember, go on man, you know say I got station. You know say I got station. No station now we go win now.
It's all right.
I mean, no, say me go buy a zinc, you know, youth. I'm tell you what.
Eh? What a wicked man. Eh? What a man did go him. What a man do?
Someone have a problem, you know. Someone have trouble, someone have a problem. Go on the station.
At the same
Go on now, go on now. Go on now. Oh, yourself, man. And this I go back for my car, you know. You can't say my name put down yourself, you know. You can't say my name put it down, you know. So when I see it take up back on me, you know. And I me take up it back, you know. I'm this man, man. What do you for that, man? No. You don't want nothing. You go on a station, you want. You don't want nothing.
We have to just prepare this time and make sure so the house them build up stronger than what them was before. So
Okay, you talk about prepare. Just make sure say you come prepare. Come on. You laugh.
come hold on. Back up. Make you sit down here so talk first so you just a bomb rush and move so fast.
The Marugana house go sit down now.
No, make me sit down here so that the cool breeze. You have to sit down because me have something to tell you. Me don't know you're going to manage.
I go like say see no in my room be. Come in.
Me need you in the shade here. Me need you in the fresh air.
Yeah,
Fix
see
your
I know.
face, man. Ciao.
So be what you want to tell me I say you can't tell me in the house. What's so special with you so?
Because I just want you get the fresh air out here, so. And oh, you look so tense. Take a deep breath and
Talk for that.
relax yourself. Take a deep breath.
Hurry up, talk so we can go in the house now.
So you just a rush about the house, so? Come on, man, we're going to the house, but just take a deep breath and relax your body. Mm-hmm.
You remember say a long time I on my feet I wait for you, know. I want to go rest off my foot now, man. Tired.
I like you too, Janelle, but anyway, I hope you're just ready for what me have to tell you. You ready? Take a deep breath. You still not look like you're ready for it.
I'm ready, B. I'm ready.
You sure say you're ready?
Of course.
You still not look ready.
B, come on, no, man.
You don't look ready.
B.
Free up your lungs.
Stop play with me, no, B, and just talk where you talk now so we can get to go inside.
You still not look ready.
Sure, B. Alright. See me all after. Me ready. Tell me free up for real.
Alright, just take one more deep breath. One more deep breath. I'm going to tell you. Yeah. Alright. You're not sick with your heart, though.
No, sir.
Oh, alright, just a little. Anyway, guess what?
What? Good news?
Well, in a sense, it can be. I don't know about you.
Yeah, wait, B, talk now.
I'm pregnant. Mm-hmm.
So, B. 1 month already, I'm fat you up. Wow.
Well, after the first night,
Eh?
it happened. Mm-hmm.
Then I saw me bad.
You what?
But B, the next time I'm not afraid to take so long to tell me things. Remember, say me a man, you know, me have to live up to my responsibility, you know. I don't know, like, when me I go vex or get mad or have a hard feel over. I'm the first youth, you know. I'm here, boy.
You go on in know, or you know, see a boy. A girl, my wife.
Girl,
Yeah.
a boy, I want still, you know, be. I want my first pitting to be a boy, you know.
Why have to be a boy?
You know, after anything me get, me take, but I like to have a boy, baby.
Well, I want girl, but I can't come here and all of that. But anyway, apart from that, you know, so we should be ashamed of ourselves.
Why be?
Yeah, we should be ashamed of ourselves.
Why you say that?
Because first, we just meet each other. Secondly, me and you gonna sleep without protection. And we barely know each other. So anyway, what's my name?
Be na Aleecia name be.
What's your name?
So I tell me say you don't know my name.
Me only know you as Junior, I don't know your full name.
Oh well, my last name, which is Junior, and my first name. But people call me in the street Junior by my first name, but my last name is Stuart. B, what happened? You can't frame him out. What's wrong?
Really? Where you seeing him again?
Junior Stuart.
Really?
B, my first name is Junior, my last name is Stuart.
Where you really say your name again?
B, my name is Junior Stuart. Is there's a problem? Come on, B, speak up.
Mine, you go find out my last name and I'll come and complain with me, you know.
No, B, where me I go find out your last name? Me don't know anybody for you. Don't know nobody. How? Your last name is Stuart?
Yes. I mind you play with my emotion, you know.
B, play with which motion? My last name is Stuart, so I know if your last name is Stuart or It's a prank.
Mine a prank you a prank me no cause you know, let me see your ID cause me know my last name is Stuart.
B. Why would I lie? And not tell me say your last name is Stuart. I mean I'm breed no girl with their last name is Stuart. See it? Stuart. Junior Stuart.
I don't feel the way I should when I look at me.
Is everything okay?
I recognize that girl and it's hard to breathe with all
B,
this
where are you going?
weight on my lungs, and I can't see how I can do this on my own. Tell me how can I make it when I always fail? Oh, how can I save me when I feel like breaking? Oh,
What's wrong?
Allow me alone no. Just allow me.
B. 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 Babes, the last name are Stuart, for real.
How much time I go tell you? How much time I go tell you the same thing? Just leave me alone, man. Just leave me and give me some space and time. Leave me alone. Suppose me and him are really family. What me I go do with this pregnancy? Yeah?
What me I gonna do now, God? Me I gonna do?
but every day I wake up, wish that I
You know, so this time mash up a whole heap of people around so. Yeah, man, all Miss Mary, all our guests then leave out our house. I mean, I don't know why them have to do all of them something there, because you don't know them say.
General, what go on?
Hold on there, Karen, hold on there. Me soon call you back. So one man you come at you. Wait, yes, sir.
Me general.
Me there, everything good.
Boss man, I know you go man.
Eh.
You know, so when me small, after me, they want to turn me general. Big up yourself,
Pick up yourself, man.
man. I don't
You're
know.
the rest of the way for go, man. I want to, man.
I say, man. Say, I don't know what I say now. Me love brown, I say, when I scheme, I say, youth.
Yeah, peaceful and calm.
Yeah, man, nice, man. Be a nice house, man. So,
Yeah.
you know, so I think I have a sell, though, you know. You know what I think.
Yo, it looks so been up like I'm not even thief it. So much fee.
No, general.
How much fee? So how much? How much fee?
Remember, we rich in the general. I rich a lie, my name in the general.
We
Anybody
still
about
have to find out, you know, because you have people that do all type of things for
me?
money.
Man, I want someone. You know, say, I'm a grandmother was a bluff and I stay a room and too rich, you know. And just build up on concrete house scheme fast and say, you know.
So much you let it go for?
That's a little 3 grand, man. You know.
Ah, man, you're mad, man.
Eh?
3 grand for that. Man, man, come back better than that, man. You're mad, man, man.
Ah, give me 2. Give me 2.
Man, oi. Bank not there, so no better. Bank not there, so. You look like bank, man. You pay so much for that, man.
Ah, you wanna? Give me 15.
Man, you know what I say to you? You see if you really want to let it go. You know on concrete house me about so
Yeah, nice house, man.
Yeah, man. You be honest, a concrete. Yeah.
You can put it on for rainy day, man.
But hear me as now. If me fit really pay for that. Me not give more than 5 bills, you know.
5 bills?
5 bills. No
So
more.
you have that now.
Hear me I say.
No, say if you have that now.
Me
Hold
say-
on now. Just hold on. You have that now. You have the 5 bills now.
Yeah, give me 5 bills. Yes, I have the
Give
5
me-
bills. Yes, I have the 5 bills. I have the 5 bills.
I and I have the 5 bills.
Oh yes, man.
All right.
Me not have my 5 bills, won't tell you. Just take it off and put it over there, so. I make.
Line up the 5 bills, I'm a general.
Over yourself and zinc. We don't want no to do with no zinc. No zinc at all. No zinc.
No, man, make we just take it from him. We are patronizing, man. We are patronizing, man.
Empress.
We are patronizing him. We are
Empress.
patronizing him.
Are you running in general place or are you running place?
A general place. And me a
No,
general.
man, hear me I say. Hear me. Just take it
Rasta,
easy.
I-
Don't worry yourself. Yeah, but don't worry yourself. Me worry yourself.
Alright,
Not take
general
you.
want him, man.
Don't worry, we are patronizing, man.
He look like a good youth. He look like a good youth.
Rasta.
He look like a good youth, man.
Rasta.
Yeah, man.
Rasta.
Yeah, man.
You know,
Look like
you
a
see
good
me,
youth.
you know, say good youth.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. For real, man.
Yourself. In a leak, you know.
See?
Just two little bit of hole.
Yeah. We don't worry yourself, man. Make him put it down over there,
Big
so.
concrete house, grandmother, what someone. Rich, rich.
No,
rich,
baby, no
rich
worry
auntie,
yourself, man. No worry yourself, man. Auntie, man, no worry yourself.
A rich auntie, you know.
Yeah.
Are you lady?
Yeah.
Believe no man.
So where you say 5 bills. No, listen, my man. We did 5, man. We 6 I go on this, man.
Alright, no sorry, me.
One more that, you know. My name is put it in market. Right?
No man, no
Alright,
I'm general.
You know what, man?
Big up yourself, man. You know.
Alright, big up yourself. Man.
No,
No
never shout out me general, man. That's it.
I make sure nobody no can ask me about it, you know.
No man, I want to man.
Alright, sir. Alright, sir. Me just want to make sure no come here. Yeah, but me a Rasta, man. I tell you, sir, Rasta.
No, we're not. We're not this Rasta people, youth.
Alright, but
We
that's
grow
why.
amongst enough Rasta youth in the street, you know.
Yeah.
And me, you see me now, my father is a Rasta and I'm a general.
Yeah, but your
What's up?
father and you are two different minds.
Yeah, I know, but look at now, my father, for you, when you read the Bible, when you see the father, you see me. You understand me? I say,
Yeah,
I don't talk Rasta, yo.
Yeah, you know what?
So you say no one more thing. Yo,
You know what?
What's you know?
You know what? God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
Myself. I'm shopping now, we deal with it now, but we have a car them around now, you know. Anything I want to buy, you call me, shopping now. See?
Yeah, look
Pick up
at
yourself, my general.
you see what I sell zinc on. You forget that truck.
Yeah, man, I want
Get that truck when you do business.
Don't worry yourself,
And you
man.
can sort out yourself for that little hardware.
Rasta,
Tell what party there we can support you.
just call me, man.
All right.
Number upon it there.
All right,
Pick up
brother.
yourself, here.
All right, brother. All right, brother.
You know, killing you that thing.
That boy, yeah. That boy no easy, you know. That boy no easy. Look here. Me a concrete or something so. And the man bring holy zinc concept. And you know, say me I really have to go buy the man holy zinc. You see?
This come like a dream, me a dream, babes. That's why people forget to know people before they go together, you know. Cause if me dey get to know you before me and go together, we no get fit evil, bring her home. Till we end up we go to bed. See, they know what we are gonna do. You are pregnant. Me no plan for that shit and my youth, them, you know. So, what we are gonna do? Me nah make you do no abortion with my first youth, you know.
I don't want to do no abortion neither. So, but it look away if you know say it's what we are stored. That is what I'm talking about. So, like, what me really want to find out now, where your side of family them come from?
Well, my father come from Hanover, Bushmount. How be? What happened me?
In the same place a Bushman my father come from?
That simple mean we close.
I don't feel way I should when I look at me.
What me I go do now?
I don't
What me I go do?
recognize that girl.
This
and
no
it's
sound
hard
right
to
at all.
breathe.
This no sound right.
Listen, no way yourself. We not have a fight. We not have a fight.
We not fight, you know. We not fight.
Listen,
But me just a make you know.
Yeah.
One little thing. You see next time, yeah.
People not have to argue with that, man. Me left some titles in the house for you, man. Look on the bed in the room, you see, please,
What
baby,
is?
could be
What's
sit down.
this?
No, man, I'm business card.
A more wool you want buy?
No, man, me I going to encourage him for the better next time.
Hello.
Girl, how are you there?
Girl, I almost reached your gate.
Hurry up, man. Come I really want to feel you. Say, hurry up, man.
Alright. Alright, may I come? Mm-hmm.
Come, Robert. Go up in the yard. They're too fast. Go. Go in the yard.
Oh boy.
Girl, how you walk so? Like something that juke you. I'll meet you. Robert, go up in the yard. You know, listen to me and my friend business. Go up.
You take everything for joking, oh girl. Just me a lot book off my toe. Like you take everything for joking, oh girl. So what?
No, man. You see, all of me just a wait. Just get to the point, my friend. God know. Me tell me just a wait too long, man. So in a yard, me a call you and look where you just a reach. So let's say I go on now.
My Jesus. You know, you ever anxious to hear my business? So anyway, no mind you, I so used to it. I have good and bad news. Which one of them I want to hear first?
Run a good one first. Run a good one first, eh?
Girl, I'm pregnant.
I like the tell.
You mean say I like me?
Tell my friend I'm pregnant.
Me I tell you the truth, girl. You might nearly caught me, baby. You bugs me so hard.
So hold on there. Why things happen so fast though? My friend me happy for you, me not tell a lie. Me not jealous say, you know, because me have to tell you say me don't want no pitney so early. You understand? I want to live my life, I want to be free and everything. Me happy for you, but
you go on in that true you love drinking and make you no want no picnic. I drinking take you over.
no, stop drink.
I went.
You know, see my face a full of back. Me stop drink, girl. The only thing me not get asleep.
You not get fat.
Only
So
thing-
nobody if
Yeah,
a
me
fatness
know.
you want you not get it.
But me I say my face I feel the only thing me not get asleep because when the time come, God know what to do with me while me had them a sinking.
A money they are fit over.
Eh?
Money they are fit over.
No day, no time.
So
Star, you know.
Star.
What you mean?
So me are the man idiot then.
Me don't know if you're a man idiot, my friend, but me just happy say, alright, give me the bad news now.
You see it, me ever tell you say you just love getting on my business.
Give me the bad news and
fast.
take time to talk now.
take your
Everybody your
time.
business. Nobody know the me yard, girl, and you say you brought down. Me I say want people hear business on the roadside. Come on.
Well, you see the bad news, me not really want nobody to hear, so I'm get closer to you. When me a come on the road, me feel really I think about you and I say no.
What's saying about me?
No, about you, girl. I just about me, just my situation. Nothing about you. You're good. You know,
Man,
you
I
know
watch for
what
you.
say? Boy,
You don't know say what, you don't know say what, talk, don't know say what.
me
You just
don't know.
ignorant now.
Just hold on and wait for me now. Just wait for me and I'm gonna calm down myself. Listen to me now, girl. You know, say the youth, my boyfriend who me carry go meet the other day. You know, say, boy.
Every minute I know say what.
Girl, me no know how to tell you this one, yeah. I swear me no know how to tell you this one.
It's like you go tell me, you know. Or you not go tell me, no, because you see right now, you just a run up my little blood pressure. For me not like people torment me, you know. Talk to me, girl.
You know, say that me can't understand with you. Every time me I tell you something, you always, your anxiety just a chip in, so.
Come eager for know, you just a go run and come round. Alright, talk.
Well, I'm cut it to you now. I'm dash it on you good. You don't know, say, the youth, Boy, I mean, I tell you every time I forgot say it, boy, I don't know. But look how I'm good. Nobody laugh after me now, because I know you.
Aleecia thought no. Hey, see me the one bright piece of boy, me taking liquor with you, man.
Lick who?
Thought no,
No,
Aleecia.
you can't lick me now, why you would lick me now? Anyway. Anyway, I'm gonna break it to you now. You don't know, say the youth are my brother. See the same. See the same thing.
If you're not busy, come here. Hey, mama.
You know, so that's why I tell you, so I don't even want to say
Aleecia.
it to you. But you gonna laugh after me. You love laugh too much. I take this thing serious, you know.
Huh?
I take this thing real
Mama, if
serious.
you want to take it serious, I know me a breathe.
Yeah, me born out of my
I know me a breathe for my brother. She said, if you want to take it serious, and I take it serious. Listen, you know, it's a joke I make, Aleecia. And you must stop running a serious joke with me. Every time the devil said that the devil tell us if you go and tell me something.
I say I'm serious like the day I born out of my mama. But let me tell you something now. It look like, you see joke on my face? I'm serious. My ball till now I watch and I left all now my eye them ready. So my eye them out them ready. I'm serious, girl. I not tell a lie. I not tell a lie.
See, fast in your body and come out. I
And
don't
you
like
make
them
them
people
a ear.
around us, you know. I don't like them people around us. It says me start out and come out. And I go and talk to somebody
They
else.
have to come out.
Hear what me I
They
say now?
have to come out. 'Cause you know why? When time I tell you my business, you come jump up, Lord Jesus.
Hear me I say now? How you know, say? Are your brother?
You don't know, say, girl. You don't know, say, when me and him run the check, you know how up Hanover, up Bushmount, my father come from. And when we run the check, girl, yeah, my father, I feel him father, because you know, me a outside pitney, because my father usually hide come a Westmoreland and link my mother. And after comes me come, you know. So when I get I want happen over this thing.
No, me I look at nobody else listen with business. Me I hear you know, and I hear talk and I hear listen, you know. And my ears them.
No, but more you listen to me good, more you look for me when me talk to you, more you listen to me. So when me link up with my father now, he might tell me say yes, we are brother and sister. Girl, my shock coming like all my nerves. See that me I feel slapping up all. Me catch up on me here, so me I call link him. Boy, up on the road, me have to stop and slap me to car. And now this I get to me, me just can't understand. Probably me have to go drink some sour start push. She said about me nerves.
My friend, come here, hug you, come.
That no look real.
Come now, me hug you.
That no look real.
No, Aleecia, me feel the pain, Aleecia, but I know me can't shed the real tears out of my eye.
You know, me know you.
Me might can't skin on my face, but me can't shed the real tears for drop. You must understand me, because me your best friend, but you ever go on and ask you, say, you plan to keep the belly there, because I see happy about it, you know. So, when you pick the bar now, mother and father, and uncle and auntie, and how you go? Something in it. And me know say, you have to just pray to God, so that child come out very perfectly.
May I forgot live with it, with the scandalized. May I forgot live with it because me not do no abortion.
No, me never tell us
Me
about
not
abortion.
tell no woman to do no abortion, as me say. Me not do no abortion because that is wrong.
All I do, put the pin for my name.
Don't joke with me then, Wade.
Father, Savior, help me.
May I give the child to the rightful father. You'd have wrong now if me take my pitney and go put in your name. Suppose the father decides that him not go mind the youth because he mean somebody else's name. No man, you put up on the wrong
You
chat.
know, say your papi sure. I'm tell you your papa sure. You see when the pitney go to school, the pitney go have it two on the last name. And he won't get trouble at school. So what you mean by? You feel lucky that I tell you put the pitney for me.
Don't happen already, so what me I go do again? I can't hide it again.
Oh, you give them stunt and style, so you're married. I must that.
Then no say go. That's how it have to go, girl. What me I go do again?
Me not tell no lie. I like me with a mad. But I start mad out already.
But feel away in myself, you know. But me have to go put back myself on track. Cause me not have no more crying for them. Me don't cry out every eye water within me already. Me not have no more tears left to cry. My have to just get myself together, straighten out myself, and know say me and him have a child to take care of.
Well, you have to just take it easy. That's all me can tell you. And as I say, you don't cry out your tears them. Me don't know what to tell you say. But me know say, reality go hit you. You understand? Yeah. Cause you see Karma. Karma want real sitting here. The pitney day. May come and hear you and the pooper. And end up love me. I just cause you know me and your best friend now. Every day I come check the pitney day. I make sure so the pitney alright. So you know the pitney will call me auntie. Yeah man. So you must
But me not no problem with me not no problem with the child calling you auntie.
Another type of problem.
But listen to me, girl. Reality now. Even though we are brother and sister and we get a child together, that doesn't mean that the world end right there, so. So all me have to do, get up, shake off myself, fix myself, straighten up myself for grow a child. Because we don't do what we have to do. So, I just life.
Listen to what me I say now. You better just give me the pitney and send money come. Send money come give me. To take care of the pitney. Cause you see, don't do the little Yo, say sometimes I see God for beat someone, you know. Why you go do an innocent baby like that? Better just give me the baby and just send money come. Simple.
You know what me I say now? Me I go talk to him about it, you know. I have to talk to him about it first. So, when me done talk to him, me just shout you and make you know what go on. So, you take care of yourself. So, you start work by your house.
Hold on, no, the host, we don't want to talk about the host right now. The host can stay for last. Here what go on now. Remember if you tell the man, remember if you talk to him about it, you know. You talk to the man. And just make him send money come. You understand? When we get the baby. Because this don't look good for you, my friend. I tell you honest truth. But go on do your thing, man. Yeah? Remember, you know. Talk
I
to the
hope
man.
you not scandalize me in your mind, you know.
Oh.
By the way, Danger, I hope you don't tell nobody about this, you know.
Aleecia, come on, man. But wait, no the way there if you go.
Why, Danger, right now I'm confused.
Hey, they confuse me too. No the way there if you go. Aleecia, look for me. Big man levels. I know you're my bestie boy, right? Me would never do that. Never turn up me to tell about nobody yet. No, man, Aleecia better than that, man. Me not scandal any.
Your love mix up.
No scandal any, man. Me not do that. Yeah. Aleecia, no the way there if you go.
Oh, girl, I'm confused. All right.
Yeah, later, yeah?
Yeah, man. Take care.
Oh, my. Working confused. Hello.
Hello, what's that now?
Me there, no.
How would it?
What you mean by a hoodie, sir? Richard line up here with me, no?
I'm too many look for the number, man. What's that? I'm too sorry, now. How are you dealing with
Here we go and go and check me now. Emergency. We have some money for make. Come now.
I proceed, my friend, man. Right now, I'm going to lead, man.
Yeah, right.
So, let her know, Miss Andy. I can't work it, Auntie.
That is it, my friend. I see that I'm telling you, you're a friend, you know. That is it. Let him out, man, and come. Let out you, man.
Auntie, I am saying, man, I can't stay, I can't, man. I have a family to go pick, man. pick up right now, auntie. Come out that car, auntie, man. Come here, beg you, man.
Yo,
Yeah, my friend.
Richard, I just put out you, man, and tap long talking.
Alright, cool, man. Right now.
Hurry up, man.
Hold on, that right style, my friend. On my phone there. Come on, my last phone you. Oh, I got now, my friend. Where are you dealing? Where's that going? Talk to me now.
You have a piece of money if you make. Me make you hear what going on, come to want to look nosy neighbor them in my business. You understand?
So what you say now? What you say procedure be now?
Alright, you are going on. You know my friend Aleecia, not true?
Long time.
Alright. See, let me ask one stupid question. You know, say girl Aleecia meet to a man other day. And when you check your ratio, she pregnant. That's the good news, you know. But man, tell her the bad news now, you know, my friend. You don't know, say. I'm brother and breed for.
Hold on, tell me now this. How she is, tell me now. Like.
Tell her the ears, yeah.
Tell her.
Yeah. I'm brother and breed for. So me there go
Hold on. Tell me now my nose.
The brother come Richard I
I must tell you I tell. Yo.
How much lie me I tell? A serious thing. No,
Yo, then I reach again.
Yes.
I reach again. So we say I don't know. How we approach it, how we attack it now.
How we do it? Yo, we do it now.
Alright, I know. Remember say no. The last one. 300,000.
Yeah.
So this one I know.
Bigger food this man. Bigger food this. Cause like boy have money and that style now. Bigger food this. Here we go now.
So hold on, so which part that nigga come from? Which part nigga come from?
Nigga must come from on over side. I see him papa they have man. And they go run like where some name where they run. Cause I saw we not too bright.
DNA.
DNA. And they go run it.
So they run
come from the father. The father go with them and one bag of something. Me tell you you have to talk about the part. Me talk about the money you go now.
So look at now. How we go organize it. How we gonna move towards it like
we make the money. Me not so dance. Me not cut to my friend.
Yeah, what we're gonna do? Alright. What we can do now?
Look. Arrange it. Right? By that time me there tell her say chat to the man and make the man tell her say yes, me can get the baby. And then just send money come.
Don't bother with that one.
But you know.
She never is gonna do that. Cause you see a lady always is gonna need them pitney. Let me tell her this now. Let me tell her what we have to do now. We have to, this one now we have to go put it on TikTok. So yo, tell me where man live. You know where man live? I can't go on like say yo, me promote my business. I say yo, I go shop for people. I say my biggest thing about it, quick shopping. And through stand blow up them now if I carry right now, I cannot to see it.
I know where they live, I can carry around.
I say I buy zinc to everybody. I go to supermarket, I go yo, you.
Oh, you can't zinc come give me.
No, people send me to buy zinc, my friend. I tell my friend.
They don't know if you chop up their money and carry you 2 zinc come give me all day. That's how we live.
Them not chopping line pan 2 zinc. You know Miss Merle? Right now, Miss Merle. Yo, me tell Miss Merle say yo. When me drive a car 2 zinc and drop off, I'm just going to rip and sell all them 2 zinc. I'm telling my friend. I give you money, man. I'm making a road. I'm in here with a line, my friend.
Oh, a piece of money that we give me a day.
Yes.
That's so me know.
So yo, hold on, man. Tell me, man. Cause I'm saying, man. So what we are doing now? Tell me where the youth live.
Business I know.
Tell me where the youth live. Tell me.
You know the road run so we name Harbour Shark then call it.
Oh.
Harbour Shark Road.
Harbour Shark Road. Which part in Harbour Shark Lane you live?
You are Richard I.
Cause watch now. What me can do now? I can see a room. and go over there and say, yo, general, I know say me I go sitting there go buy zinc and them.
Talk too loud now, you know.
No.
Yeah, listen to what me I say, Richard.
No, hold on.
Yeah, listen to what me I say, Aleecia. And I really have a shark lane, you know. You don't know the name next to it or in front of it anyway you want to call it. You know the big old house, the big old boardhouse that pop down.
Boardhouse.
The big old house so they in front of it man that pop down.
Then a concrete house that them friend they come like say you smoke ganja you smoke and a ganja you smoke.
Which are I? I run me down?
No, but me tell you say on a boardhouse that my friend.
How then?
No, wall house and the broke down
how part. Wall house, which I lie. Tell me how wall house, because you run me.
It tap a board, my friend, but you can't call it board house. It tap a board.
It tap a board.
Anyway, I know what you talk, man. This village side, I seaside that broke down and favor like some liquor all. We're ugly and tell my friend, man, over there, sir.
Show me no concrete.
Over there, same man live. So, over there, same man live? So, here we go, do now. Me go over there and rape my brain, go, sir. And rape my brain. You know, I'm good like that. See? And stay in a room now, I sell zinc. You know, I'm not selling zinc already. Because they must want zinc. Every house wants zinc. Hurricane pop off every house stop now. See? Then now I come to a room and take him on picture now. See? And put it on TikTok. Or we just try to get the number for the man and say, yo, look here, we got to put this on TikTok. We say you read your sister. You understand? Easy password. 1 million. Yeah. I'm done talk.
Yeah.
You understand me I deal with my friend?
Yeah.
1 million.
So yo.
Half a mil for you? No. Remember, say me go do a little bit more work. So, how much did that check, you know? I get one lick it in the bit more than you. Because remember, say me a burn gas, you know.
Yeah.
You understand me I deal with my friend?
It's a lie, what you say? I lie, tell you it's a lie.
What's a
lie they tell me?
Alright,
half.
Alright, alright, no joke.
But little more me. I think I can come use a hey, Richard lie.
No joke, my friend.
Just watch it now, come in now, come inside the road now.
Come in now.
Because I'm gonna drink a beer, you know.
I'm your friend, man.
I'm gonna drink a beer, you know.
I'm your friend, Aleecia. Friend, man, I must say we are working, man. I'm your man, you just let me let out all like all woman a while ago. I'm your vertical 1 million happy right now, you know.
Yo, that little chump change the way I collect can't work right now.
How 5 bills, I can't go the road for it. You may tell my friend.
Here what go on now, Richard. Here what go on now. And so I carry me and stop right on my friend here, so.
Right, that's all.
Yeah. I see you.
Yeah, nobody got to tell nobody about
it. Here what go on now. You see you now, you think they can style me. Eh?
Style, I'm not style my friend. I'm saying I pay money in my friend.
Richard, I tell us I want one beer. And you give me cranberry water, I know you have money.
Oh, yourself, man. I'm not can out.
Jessica!
I'm telling my friend, man. Yo, watch out now. Yo, don't tell nobody, you know.
Relax now, man.
Oh, dear, man.
You can't chat, so just you chat.
You chat too much, man, aren't you?
You chat too much, man.
You chat too much.
Jessica! Yeah, girl, where you there? Me have one piece of mix up figure me the right, me just step to your gate. Hey, where you say? Come down my room. Alright.
I'm never over here, say, boy. Yeah, danger. You know, hear me, man. Your phone a break up, sir. Yeah, me I tell you something, the right eye gate. The right eye, it's my gate, you know. Alright, procedure. Don't say next word, man. Is it? You hang up my business now, man, you know. What you said? Me no, me can't make you know so me know you. You mad man. Ah, what's that now? Me so call her back. Alright, me a match out here. Here, Crossage and my friend man. Remember half and half, you know? Ball game. Hello? General. General. General.
Yo, who that?
I want Richard line on my general. Give me a second on my G. 1 minute, 1 second on my G.
Now forward.
Better forward. Better forward. Forward now, my general man. I don't know the procedure, man.
But then I easy, but see ya. You know me one yard you call me. Forward down your so man.
Then you know, say respect Joe, my G. You know, code life, go. What you do, my general?
General.
No, man, I want to do, my G. You know, I want Richard, even if I don't know you, I know you, my G. I want to tell my father, man. Remember, say, I will run the whole acre, man. We have all that on the sea, said we are rich like that and see us a boom, man. You know? Ball game, you know?
What are you doing on me yard? I mean, not get no call, say off. Where they do it? Who you?
No, watch out, my G. Alright, you see, like, a place, them, it's blow down. So, like, you see now, blow down, like, it top blow down. The roof, when there's a blow down, I always, like, check in for the people, them, say there. And give them all money and care package, and, you know? Come rich like that, you know, man, and be a food and them things, and give people more, and, you know? So, when I say you're rich like myself, still. But I stay as a woman, I want to say, yo, if they want to zing for go by, because remember, say now, me are the general about the place, so everybody know in the jail. If they want to stay as a room and want something like that down there, so now, I made them call for go down at the hardware, go buy zinc, nail, every little thing. I say, I say, my J.
Still and still, I don't want no zinc, you know, me good.
Oh, so that me there check up on if I want no zinc, you know. But stick up in, you know, say you look funny in a youth.
Eh.
You look like me see somewhere already, my J. I wish I forward from.
Hand over me forward.
Hand over. So.
Because for me the place is me and my brother run off, you know.
Real man, you know, say. One at a time I see a woman say, you get good signal over here, man. Watch out. So bit.
Sorry, you
like you get good signal over here, my general man. Watch out. Yo, youth, my love over here, youth. Yo, look for them brother, man.
Yo,
brother, man.
Yo, I come for watch out my place, brother.
No, watch out, my G. I say, yo, watch out. Your place nice, youth. Believe me, youth.
True, man. No
first. You go richer youth. Inspiration, me give people in my youth. No, I hope someone. What can I do? That's my G. I hope some G. I want the man, my father, man. I know a ball game, bro.
So where you come from?
Me. You know, say me ever sitting there, Spanish town and that time, G. The badness, me really come down, you know.
Oh.
Badness and sitting, man. But you know, I put down in life already, man. You know. A regular man, you know, we all have one night time with all the prison and sitting on G, you know. Yeah, man, you know, GT prison.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I hope someone there one night time, man, I rub off on 14 years up there and face a room. Come back a road, you know.
So you find me hard?
No, I'm find me hard. I don't tell you say how people like who want care package and they sit and help, man. Me help them, man.
Oh.
I'm telling general, man, but I tell you say, yo, after they ask me say, Ray, that's why I tell you that, how me get down here. You understand? A Spanish town and, you know, I see a room again and they live at Portmore one night time and they live at Ochi and they live at Chilani. Then they live at Ski Valley. What place me live my youth, but you know.
You live all about, man.
Yeah, man, I'm regular. I'm not regular. Sorry about that. I'm not regular, my G. I'm not regular. That I mean, you know.
So it's a rolling stone, get no mass.
No, road. Yo, you know say what's on my G, you know say me make a one move.
Yeah,
Cause you
man,
know
big
say
up
me really
yourself.
want this a youth. Cause first me is know I try this after me youth.
Yo, big up
What you go on still?
left me out before me have to let out me dog them pan you.
No man, you know say procedure my G man. Joke man. Big up yourself, my general. You know, sorry about that. You know, start to my chunk still, my G.
Yeah, man.
No, no worry yourself, man. Everything good. Don't worry yourself. Yo, youth, you go big in a youth.
Yeah, man.
Yo, you go popular in a youth. I thought me tell you.
already still, you know.
Me know, man, but the whole world soon know you, my G. Cause you wanna. Me can't see things, you know. The whole world don't know you, my G, man. You
I don't
know.
want the whole world to know me.
No, but you know. But for you to put in the work, what you think I gonna happen? I'm tell you, yo, big up yourself, you know, my G, you know.
Alright, no free.
I want Richard, you know. Never two, you see it? Ball game, you know. Procedure, my G, man.
And they look like
Believe.
thief. No, say
Watch
something
out,
that
man, man. You go popular, man. Know yourself, my G.
something that man they come over me hard for thief, you know. I like how that man there move, me not trust him. But we find out how I go and look more for this.
Try man, that's smile, man.
You're tough in a youth. That's why me your friend Marita.
Oh, relax yourself, man. Don't say, yo.
No.
You don't rate me in a youth.
I wanna rate you.
Go man, that's smile, man. Yo, you go big in a youth. You go famous in a youth. It's a youth, half a famous. Alright, where's the go on now?
Me no know. I want a big word, but I'm not famous.
Oh?
Famous.
Relax yourself, man.
Famous.
Famous.
Alright, you're going.
That is a must. You
Yeah,
got to say famous.
You're going now.
Yeah.
Grow and the girl, you know. That's
Yeah.
my friend.
Yeah.
And get him man number. But here how me get the number now.
That is a clown.
Yeah, so you have a picture, you have a number, but here how me get the number now. Go to the girl and make sure know so you watch her now. Go want the number, cause when you build up back a place, when a man build up back a place, go and send on some guests over there.
That's
what me I say.
like a broke down place, I'm saying.
Yeah, cause here we go on now.
Bulldoze have to pop down that, my friend. That,
No,
which guess?
Here we go on now, I show you pre now.
Alright, go on.
Before the place get damaged, someone rent rooms. You understand?
Oh, rental in the round.
Yeah. So me
See procedure, man.
put in myself, you know, use my brain now, get the number.
Oh.
You understand? So here we go on now.
Brain work,
Here we go
okay.
on now, my friend.
Real, no, procedure,
I
man.
have a picture.
Mm.
I may have a number. You know what that mean?
I don't know what you tell me, because you feel so real. I don't know what you say.
Yeah.
But I know what you say, my friend. Tell me now.
Here we go on now.
Hold on, now, you tell a boy your pass.
I'm a farmer, you know.
If you say, man, I say, you dry, man.
Oh, Richard, watch your now.
Go on.
Here we go on.
Yes, I go on. Talk, no, man.
Wait. Here we go on now. It's like how you have a picture, me have a number.
So what I know? Me have 5 and you have 5, that hour. 8.
Huh? Me tell us,
Alright, reason now.
Me tell us, me done, you know. What you come like a done,
No,
sir?
no, honestly, done.
And that's a attend that. Here we go on now, and this is what me
Now look at that. What me I say, like, half and half that. So me have something on you, so just that me I say, no?
Alright, yeah.
You shouldn't have go to school.
Alright, me no go to school.
You can't even understand me I say.
Yeah, me no go to school. Alright,
Talk, man.
Here we go on now. Here we go. Blackmail them. Meaning?
Tell me I tell you, say, boy, forget blackmail, man.
Meaning?
The girl and the boy told them forget
Yes,
blackmail.
meaning, listen to meaning. The number me have, I go give you it.
Right.
And you go send them a picture.
Send them a picture.
You go send film picture, and me go send a VR picture.
Yeah.
And we go put them together. And when we put them together, we go tell them, say, oi.
Pitch them together.
Sisters, and yeah!
Yo, you go like someone who go high school and college and all works now, you.
Oh, we go say now, sister and brother.
Sister and brother.
Having a child.
Having a child. But you have to go
together.
text. You have to go write that in one text. Give me, because you want to see for my phone now. You know, really so good, you know.
Yeah.
So it
But-
takes part of it. Me don't know it come like you can't text, you know.
But
So that, you know, them the word and I read it to you on my phone still, but just text it to me.
different that one me I try to tell you say. We are go write different that we are go write say. If you don't want anyone to find out about
Yes.
this with you and your brother,
You and your
or
brother.
your brother and you have to send us 1 million.
1 million.
Yeah. 1 million.
That's a rate. You see, first time I carry you guy airport. You remember?
Yeah.
From them time I rate to you. Yo, hold on. Your little niece, you know come back to Jamaica. You know come back to Jamaica.
No, you didn't come back to Jamaica.
From them time I rate to you. That's why, watch it now. So, just, what you say now? Text it to me and me go send him a picture.
So what on there?
A picture of them.
If me text it to you, how you go read it?
A fool, you take man, what you say, me can't read.
Eh?
I read, I say, me really say me can't read.
Then talk it through no Richard, like me and you come like a best friend. If me send you the message, how you go read it?
Me not have to read that. I'm big on reading. I'm big on reading, my friend. Me rich on reading, you know.
Richard, like, here I go on. I'm send you it. Or here I go on. Left me up the road.
Left you up the road. To my friend, man.
Left me up the road.
So hold on. So oh, you know say na pray to the fine green and gritty I wait till the boy pass. You know pray to the fine grain of the argument, my friend. Let me show you something. The inner gritty of the thing.
Here.
Alright, watch now. If me stay in a room now and go to boom, see? I will sell the money and the money for go send now. Oh, we go get it. We don't have to have a bank statement. We have to have a bank statement for know say how them can send it to the bank. No, how you get the money? You think say me I go feed?
Relax yourself because I feel like a big army now.
No, hold on.
You feel like a big army now this now. Relax yourself, you know, because here I go on now. A simple 1, 2, 3 if you get somebody.
We get somebody
Deal with it.
to pick up your money.
Yeah.
So look here now, better than send it to one bank. So we can send a bank statement to them and send it to that number there.
Anybody where they send it to, we follow them, back of them, straight in there.
No, but all them all send it. Just picture what me I made now. If me say send me the $1 million now. All them all send it to who? Remember say me not want to know what I mean. And then you can't make them know what I hear. So we have to send one bank statement number. In a distance, send it to that number down there.
Alright.
In that bank there.
So I know you're wise, you know.
You're a big college man going on. Yo. Watch out, man.
Trust one as you know.
Trust one as my friend, you know. So watch out, I go roll on the blackmailing. Of them people are still.
Blackmailing. Which I like, yeah. Alright.
Know yourself, man. Then me say,
Yeah, go on now. Oh, I'm general, me go for roll yourself.
when we do that, you know, come like a nail and pep onto it, you know. Then that's why I say blackmail. I joke blackmailing, man.
Come now, babes.
Don't you ever call me that again, you hear? Don't call me no babes. I don't want to hear that out of your mouth. So you ready for call your father?
You ready to call your father? Cause to hold me seat, we have the same father.
Well, make we call him because of him fault.
I
For him fault.
I could never feel him fault.
How we couldn't be for him fault? Him are the one we left all the way in Hanover. Come to Westmoreland. Come cheat with my mother. Get me. And now we end up together. Because I feel him fault. Because he never make we know each other. That's why you see, man fi stop cheat. And if he even cheat, know how you cheat. Just like, alright, you notice how me and you meet? We just run go have sex. and we not try to get to know each other. Get a child. We could have prevent that. Because if we did try to get to know each other and date and talk and all of them something there, this would have happened.
But sis, I'm sorry, and even one night we call daddy and daddy I tell you saying sorry too.
Well, me not accept that. Because what happened here, so, it a gonna be an effect in our to our life. For a whole lifetime. But anyway, he don't not married, so here what? Call him and make we talk to him and make him explain how this thing go. Because even though I not accept the apology and all of that, I just want to hear what happened. You understand me?
Sis, you go chat to him. Or me fi chat to him. Which one of we go chat to him?
It's why we are going to talk to him, you know, because everybody make mistake, no. But here what happen? You see mistake when you make, don't make that happen again. I go to bed without protection, condom, don't make that happen again. That wrong.
Alright. Daddy, Aleecia want to chat to you.
Daddy, yeah, good evening. What more I ask you? How is it you never make me and my brother know each other for we were small growing up?
What you say already? Yeah, I don't know. Richard I represent said you know, for Maggie Phillips, I don't know if you enjoy movie set, I don't know, you know what you do, you know, man. Ball game, you know, man. Code life, you know, Richard that. What you say?
Turn on the mic, brother.
No, the reason I'm telling you so your son to smell good, you know. Yeah, you know smell good, dog. Yeah, so me I say, yo, watch on, man. One Richard I represent said, you know. Man, yeah, shine the camera upon me, man. Yo, me I say, yo, represent, you see it. Enough more channel out, I said, we big up, sitting there, big up PFS Fields, you know. And big up Richard Brown Fields, you know. I know, say, Coloring Book said we TV, you know. Big up them channel, I said we. I make sure someone subscribe to them, see, you know. Cause, man, I shine the camera upon man, dog, shine. Yo, dog, yo, fool, let's take man for another.
Oh, I used to believe sin made you angry with me, but then you came.
Oh man, no first Richard youth, I go Richard youth. That inspiration me give people in my youth. No, up as youth, we not go down.
Yeah, man.
No worry yourself, man. Everything good. Don't worry yourself. You go big in the youth, you up as youth.
Well, go on here.
Close and tore that old veil. You said you were proud of me. We cannot forget. It's all about love. The love of the Father, Spirit and Son.
So, I don't want to feel like say through the hurricane pass, we stop the movie and all them things. Remember, say right after this time, I drop a movie now. See? What you call again? J-Virus Outbreak. Make sure so you go take in the movie there as well. See? So, we're down at Damien Closet right now. See? One of the places in a Savannah Mall, 118. Great George's Street. I just saw them sell the bad clothes them. So, if you not pass through, make sure so you can get on the gears and so forth, right? One Maggie Films, never two, I'm out.
Holla, why do they doubt the kid? I'm about to prove them all wrong again. I got a low tolerance, cause they don't I'ma do it again. Watch me win, then watch me do it again. Tell 'em I can't take no loss. My team hold no L's, no. Aiming for the top, can't make it by myself. I ain't taking no loss. I ain't taking no loss. Look, I'ma always win. I ain't taking no loss. Look, I'ma always win. We already know that we the coldest. Watch me heat it up, let me focus. I'm going toe